We are really interested into how you've learned about Explain Everything and how you incorporate that in your
Yeah,
work.
yeah, yeah. So I work with K to 8
Mhm.
teachers and students. So my job is to go into a teacher's classroom and then help them use digital tools. And usually it ends up being Explain Everything because with my district we have it on every student device. I find early years teachers are they're always looking for ways to do something that will help their students learn
Mhm.
not only literacy skills, but digital literacy skills
Right.
too. So that the letter tracing template that came out of a teacher who didn't want to use screens in her classroom. She told when I met with her, she told me everything she didn't want to do with it. Like she said, I don't want the kids doing reading. I don't want the kids doing this. I don't want them just tapping away.
Mhm.
And so I said, well, why don't I show you how to make the whole alphabet and then the kids can have a letter tracing thing. So we did that and she saw the power in that right away, but then I showed her the record feature
Mhm.
and the kids, when they started working with it, they loved it because they could see themselves like tracing the C. And
Right.
there's on the card, there was a start point and an end point. And one boy did all of his C's and then he wanted to show the class. So we put it on the screen, he played it. And as he was watching, he realized that he was doing them, instead of doing them like where it said on the card, step 1 to 2, he was doing it backwards.
Right.
He was starting at the second. And right away, he looked at it and he said, I make my C's, I don't make them the right way. So
Right.
then he went back and fixed it. And for that kindergarten, for that grade 1 teacher, she was like, this is amazing because he self-assessed and he
Yeah.
corrected it himself. And it was better than doing it on paper.
Yellow.
That's one example of like just having the camera built, like having the camera stuff built in. Yeah, I've done a lot of literacy work with early primary. My first session with kids and with teachers is always like what the toolbar is on the side
Mhm.
and how to use it, and then where the record button, what the record button does. And it's funny because like 5-year-olds can figure out the record button and the timeline that is at the bottom. They can figure that out with a lot of trial and error, a lot more trial and error than a 14-year-old would do. Um, but I really think that it's my go-to app anyway. And because it covers so much, it covers anything. They can do anything with it.